Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the basics. Park, wake the car, and make sure the screen is active. Once done, open Controls then Software to see the firmware level and a short battery summary. This matters because Tesla shows different diagnostics by firmware. Next, tap the Energy app or the trip screen to view current rated range and estimated usable kilowatt hours. That gives an immediate sense of battery life versus indicated range. Make sure to record odometer and recent charging events for context. Now you dig deeper. View the energy graph to see real consumption over the last 15 to 30 miles. This helps translate range into usable kWh. If you need precise capacity, perform one controlled charge to nearly 100% and record the kilowatt hours added. Divide that by usable pack percentage to approximate full capacity. Also check the Tesla mobile app for current state of charge and charge history, because remote logs sometimes show different recent usage than the car display. To finish, compare your measured usable kilowatt hours against the nominal pack size to calculate percent degradation. This tells you true battery life. Once you've done the math, make sure to reboot the MCU and perform a full power down and restart if numbers look inconsistent, because software glitches can distort readings. If the discrepancy remains, gather your logged stats and contact Tesla service or book a diagnostic. That's the reliable path if your calculated capacity and displayed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.